Hello everyone, my name is Kevin Paulson and today I'm going to show you guys how to install elementary operating system alongside a Windows operating system using a virtual machine. So without any further ado, let's get started. So before installing the operating system, make sure you have already downloaded the ISO file to install the operating system in the virtual machine. If not already downloaded, go to elementary.io and download it from there. As it is an open source software, you can either choose to donate or just enter 0 and download it for free. It is a 1.5 gigabyte of file and it will take some time to download. Assuming you have already downloaded the ISO file, to install the operating system, you have to open your virtual machine application and just click on the create a new virtual machine button. After clicking on the button, a new pop-up window will appear and you just have to select the first option and click on next. After clicking on next, you just have to select the second option and select the ISO file you have downloaded from your desktop computer. After selecting and opening the ISO file, you just have to click on next and it will automatically detect the operating system you're trying to install. In my case, it is a Linux operating system based on Ubuntu and you have to just click next. Here you can name your virtual machine anything you want. In my case, I'm naming it elementary and click next. Here you have to allocate the space to your virtual machine and select the second option to split the virtual machine into multiple files and click on next. Here you can customize the hardware for your virtual machine in any way you want. Here I am allocating 2 GB of my RAM to the virtual machine and one core my processor to the virtual machine. I've kept the network adapter to the NAT configuration. You can either choose NAT or bridge, anything you want based on your requirement. After configuring the virtual machine according to your needs, just close this pop-up window and click finish. After clicking on finish, it will create a new virtual machine for you. You just have to click on the power on this virtual machine button on the left side of your screen. As it is a fresh install, it will take some time to boot up the operating system. After booting up, it will give you two options, either to try elementary first or to install it directly. As we are trying to install the operating system, we will select the second option. But if you are not sure whether you want to install it or not, you can try first and then decide whether to install or not. Click on the second option as we are trying to install it. So after clicking on the second option, it will give you option to select the keyboard layout you want and click on continue. Select both the options and click on continue. It will download updates automatically while installing elementary operating system and also install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi for your computer as well. So it will take some time to process it. Now you just have to select the first option, erase disk and install elementary, and click on install now and click continue. After clicking continue, you will get an option to select the time zone you want. In my case, as I am in India, I will select Kolkata and click on continue. Here you have to select your name, your computer's name, your username, your and a password for your virtual machine. After entering all the information, you just have to click continue. After clicking on continue, it will start to install the operating system and will take some time, so we'll skip to the part where it has been already installed. So as you can see, the operating system has been installed successfully. You just have to click on the restart now button to boot up the operating system for the last time. As it is a fresh install, it will take some time to boot up the operating system. And there you go, you have successfully installed the elementary operating system in your virtual machine. If you still have not understood on how to install it, you can read my detailed explanation in my blog post mentioned in the description below. If you have reached to the end of the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And also, don't forget to follow us on all the social media platforms mentioned below. Thank you for watching.